YAGEO here at PCIM is a household name in the world of engineers. Everyone who's designed has used YAGEO products, like the passives that they develop inside of their designs. You'll find most of the time, over 90% of what you have there would be a YAGEO product. But let's talk about something new here. They've delved into the world of sensors, and let's talk to Simon about what they have. Simon, thank you very much for joining us.
Hey, good to see you, Elaine.
What have we got here?
Well, with the new expansion for our sensors, we have a lot of additional sensors that we can now offer. In the past, we've had current sensors already in our portfolio, but now we can also offer temperature sensors. We have limit switches, we have inductive sensors, we have RFID sensors, position sensors, photoelectric sensors. So we really have expanded our portfolio on the sensor side significantly.
So there's quite a broad range of sensors for a company that has previously specialized mostly in passives. What kind of applications are you looking to focus on?
So one of the things that we really want to focus on right now is package and solution. You can see that manufacturing just has to increase the capacity. You have to manufacture faster, you have to manufacture more quicker. And so with that, those sensors really come in handy as you start having those in your factory automation and in your factory lines. So with our sensor offerings, you can really increase your efficiency for manufacturing, especially as you start moving into automation.
Okay, so in factory automation, as anyone who's done it before knows, that communication is a massive factor in getting these up and running. Let's talk about how can we communicate with these modules? Is it over the convenient buses that we already know and love?
Yeah, so all of our sensors come in different types of communication buses. So we do have the I/O link, we do have the PROFI bus, we also have the EtherCAT, which is extremely popular, especially for factory automation.
Beautiful. Okay, are there any sensors that you feel are really sticking out in the YAGEO range right now?
So one of the new sensors that we just developed is actually our photoelectric blue light sensor. That is a really cool sensor because it actually allows you to detect if you have a glass bottle or a transparent bottle. A lot of times you don't really know if that bottle is empty or where that bottle is positioned. And so with that new sensor, you can actually start seeing clear bottles, and with that, increase the speed of your manufacturing and filling process for those types of bottles, because you know exactly where the bottle is at and when it's there. So this way you can really speed up the process. And then of course helps with efficiency, and so that's one of the really great new products that we have for that. We also have the one you can see right here, which is actually a roller sensor. So that allows you to fit them in between the rollers, so there's nothing really in the way. And it's very hard sometimes to detect where a product is. If you think about a box is not always going to be perfectly aligned with this thing, so the sensor might detect the box incorrectly. Well, with this sensor, you can have it underneath the rolls, and then the box comes over the sensor and you know exactly where the box is at. And the best part, the sensor is not even in the way. It fits right between those rolls. And so really a great product to use in any type of factory automation.
Amazing. Like most engineers, we trust our passives with YAGEO. Why not go ahead and try a sensor from them too? It would really simplify your procurement process. Simon, thank you very much for having us on your booth today.
Hey.